Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Celer Network. In 2021, Celer Network has been performing very well. Even it was the most outperforming crypto among all top altcoins. And I'm expecting that now it is getting prepared for another very big move. And I'll show you why I'm expecting that. After the previous drop, when we had after the month of April, the price line of Celer again formed another big harmonic reversal move, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reversal bat that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 13th of July. And at that time, the price line just completed the leg and it was moving above the buying zone. And I told my members that we can wait for the price line to complete this leg once again and we can catch it from this buying zone. Now, after playing the chart, and by the way, you can see that it was moving at approximately 2.8 cents. Now I'm just playing the chart and you can see that the price line moved down more up to 1.98 cents and rallied up to 19.87 cents. That was more than 600% move. Now during this move, you can see that it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal pattern. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. By the way, before this move that I want to share with you, the price line recently formed another harmonic reversal move, and this was the short term. On the short-term time frame, and this was the harmonic bullish reversal shark move that was completed on 28th of December. And I shared this move with my members, and now I'm just going to show you this chart as well, and you can see that the price line completed this leg, rallied very well, and again moved down. Now you can have better idea how Celer Network is following the different harmonic moves. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame. And previously when I shared when I was showing you this move, that was on the weekly time frame, by the way, which I shared on in the month of July. Now this move, which I'm expecting again, is on the weekly time frame, on a very long term. This was the previous move, harmonic move, and this is the current harmonic move. Now, if I place this pattern tool, this is the leg that is starting from here, from 1.982 cents, and goes to here. This is the initial X to A leg. Then here we have, let me place this pattern tool once again. This is the initial leg, and then it has retraced up to 0.509 Fibonacci retracement level, which means that it has dropped approximately 50% after this rally, and now it has projected up to 0.685, and this is the projection of A to B leg, and now you can see so far it has moved down up to 0.863 Fibonacci retracement level. Once it will be moved more down up to 0.886, that will be approximately here at 4.1 cents approximately. And once the price line will complete this leg, then we can find the entry point for Celer Network, because this will be another very big bullish reversal like we had previously on the weekly time frame. So there is a very small difference for the completion of this leg. As soon as this leg will be completed, I'll post it for my members at the Patreon. You can find the exact buying and sell targets there, and approximate targets I'm just sharing with you. Our sell targets are approximately, if I place this Fibonacci tool from X to D leg, then we can expect a reversal from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So this move will be from 10 cents to approximately 16.5. However, this is on the weekly time frame. The move can be really very big, like previously I shared this chart, but the price line crossed up these sell targets, which I shared as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bad move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.